Hello guys and welcome to a very special video. Today's a very special day because it is of course the Nintendo Switch 2 launch day. I've actually been sent a Nintendo Switch 2 as well as a whole bunch of other goodies by Nintendo. So big thank you to them for sending this out. In this video we're going to be unboxing it, checking out what's inside. So let's hop right into it. We've got the box right here. This isn't exactly the box that you'll get when you do receive it yourself. However, this I believe is like a sort of PR package type box. So this is the first unboxing video we've done on the channel as well, so let me know what you think. But here we go, look at this. So this is some stuff. Okay, so some booklets, fantastic. Wow, very exciting. Nintendo Switch 2 game chat content guide. The next evolution of Nintendo Switch is here, Nintendo Switch 2 welcome tour. There's so much cool stuff in here. I've been sent a copy of Mario Kart World as well, which is fantastic. Look at this, right, so this is gonna be one of the first things we look at, the Nintendo Switch 2 camera. So this is the newest addition, or the newest addition, I should say, to the product lineup. This is the Nintendo Switch 2 camera. You can use this with games, you can use it with the game chat as well. I don't believe the Nintendo Switch 1 actually had a camera, so nice new addition to the lineup right there. Right, we've got all this stuff. Let's move that right there. Okay, this is the box. This is what you'll get if you buy the product normally. Here we go. Okay, boom, look at that. Nintendo Switch 2 and Mario Kart World right here in my hands. This is amazing. I actually went to the launch day, like an event of the Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys haven't seen that video, then do check it out. But this is incredible. It feels good, it feels weighty in the hand. We'll start off by opening the actual Nintendo Switch 2 itself, because that's what everyone's here for, and then we'll move on to the camera and see how that looks inside. So let's swipe that open. I should probably just get rid of this as well. Get rid of all that. Okay, fantastic. So, Nintendo Switch 2, let's open it up here. And this is what you will get when you get your Nintendo Switch 2. Here we go. Another box. A box inside of a box. Let's crack open this and get my first thoughts. Now, I've actually owned a Nintendo Switch regular, I've owned a Nintendo Switch Lite and a Nintendo Switch OLED, so I can sort of get a feel for what it is going to be like compared to all of those. And you can already see the difference in size of this display. It's absolutely massive. Let's open it up and get a first look at it. Wow, you can see that. You can see the camera up there. Nintendo Switch 2. There it is. It's got this kickstand as well, of course. You can prop it up really nice and easily. So that's looking great. What else have we got here? We have got the Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Cons, which are new because they are magnetized. They actually attach magnetically to the new Nintendo Switch 2. I really like the sort of matte black finish that they have on this new product. So we attach that one on there as well, and that's how it is looking. Really, really nice. It's sort of got a little accent as well on the, or underneath the Joy-Con sort of joysticks. And you can see it right there as well. So that's looking really good. As we delve deeper into the box, we also have a copy of Mario Kart World. You can try and redeem that, but it won't work because I've already redeemed it. Nintendo Switch 2 important information. You get your ultra high speed, ultra certified HDMI cable, which looks just like that. Very, very cool. Very nice. We'll move all this out of the way. Make it a nice clean unboxing. You also, of course, get the Joy-Con straps. So these attach to the Joy-Con to ensure that you're not making a disasterful scene with your TV and indeed your entire house by breaking everything. So that's that. Put all that down there. What else have we got inside the box? We have got the new controller, or the controller sort of stand, if you like. The way that the Nintendo Switch 2 disconnects the Joy-Cons is actually with this, so you can just hold down that little button. Oh, I realize you can't even see that. We'll try that again. The way that they actually disconnect is through this, just like that. Press that, it's this little button right here, and it disconnects from the Switch 2. So it does connect magnetically, and then it does disconnect, just like that. Boom. So really nice and easily. So we're going to use that now to test out the new Switch 2 controller dock style device. So that pops on there like that. And then this one pops on there just like that. And it feels nice, it feels good in the hand, feels solid. It's sort of got this background to it as well, this sort of nice matte black finish, which also sort of allows you to hold onto it nice and easily. The sort of backing feature. And then of course you have the Switch 2 Joy-Cons that go in there like that. Very nice for there. What else have we got? We've also probably got all the docking setups, right? So we've got the power brick, which is an AC adapter. It's a 100 to 240 volts, of course, and 50 to 60 hertz, whatever that means. It's USB-C as well. So USB-C, which of course means you'll need a USB-C cable. And this, I believe, is for charging and connecting the dock together. And I like the way that you can actually unplug the USB-C cable from the power brick, because it didn't always used to do that. It used to just be all connected like that. But this time with the Switch 2, you can disconnect it, which is really nice. Cable, decent size, decent length, not too amazing, not too long. I'd probably say it's approximately maybe 1.5 meters. Yeah, probably about 1.5 meters. So decent sized cable. You may end up wanting to get a longer one, who knows. And finally, for the actual Switch 2 itself, there is the brand new docking system, which looks like that. Very, very nice. Again, going on with that matte black sort of finish. Of course, in this, you have to sort of put the Nintendo Switch 2 inside of the dock. Make sure I get it the right way. Inside the dock like that, snap it into place, sits nicely, and then of course you can access all of the connections. So you've got the AC adapter. I'm not sure you guys can see this, but you've got the AC adapter, of course, that goes in there. That's where you put your USB-C, which we just showed you in there. HDMI out, and of course you've got your LAN input as well, so you can put in an Ethernet cable nicely into there. It's all covered up as well by this lovely cover that I just took off, so you can make it, keep it looking nice and fresh. And it does go back on just like that. There you go. So that's what the Switch 2 looks like. Very, very cool, very nice. It's got that little indicator as well at the bottom to, I assume, indicate when you are outputting to your TV via HDMI. And that's it for inside of the box of the Nintendo Switch 2. Of course, this is the Mario Kart World Edition. But of course, we have more to uncover, more to unbox, and it's this. It's the Switch 2 camera. This is the newest thing that they've added into the product lineup. As I said, I believe I don't think that the Nintendo Switch 1 and the original one had one of these. So this is a brand new feature for the Switch 2 and a brand new way to game as well, which is nice. So this is how it looks, this is how it unboxes. So you've got a nice sort of cardboard enclosure, nothing else inside the box. Cardboard enclosure that contains all of the various details and booklets and stuff that you're gonna need, as well as the camera itself. Now again, it's gonna be USB-C, which is nice. I like USB-C. If you've watched any of my reviews of products, particularly when they're sort of newer products and they don't have USB-C, I get angry. So it's nice to see this is, of course, keeping on that USB-C wave, which is how it should all be. I wanna get to a world where we have one cable per household, if you like, and you can sort of use all your devices with it. Obviously you'll want more, but you know, one cable for everything type vibe. So this is what the camera looks like. It's quite short. Short camera, it's probably only, you know, I'd say that's approximately 20 centimeters tall. Maybe even less, maybe about 20 actually. 15 to 20 centimeters tall. The plug for the USB-C is somewhere in here. There it is, so it's actually below. That's where the USB-C connection plugs in. Can you even see it? There you go. So the USB-C plugs in right at the bottom. It actually has a really nice sort of cable management system on it as well, which we'll have a look at just now. So again, USB-C, really nice. It looks like exactly the same cable that you get with the regular Nintendo Switch. So let's see, or the Switch 2, I should say. I should start getting into the habit of saying that. Again, what we're looking at lengthwise, yeah, it's literally exactly the same cable. Got Nintendo branding on there as well, which is looking really nice. And again, plugs in via USB-C, connects onto the cable management system, which just goes on like that. Keeps it looking really nice and clean, really nice and fresh, so it doesn't take up too much space on your desk. It's got a nice sort of rubberized finish on the bottom as well, so once it's on the desk, it's really not going anywhere as the whole camera shakes. But yeah, again, nice Nintendo Switch 2 branding. You can sort of see how it all looks. And that's gonna plug directly into the Switch 2. So that's gonna all look really nice. Now I wanna turn on the Nintendo Switch 2. So let's get it back. Let's turn it back on. You can sort of see it right here. Power buttons on the top. You get the volume buttons right there, the volume rockers. You get the USB-C there as well. A headphone jack, which is really nice. You also get, of course, when the Joy-Cons are off, you get the magnetic area. And this is obviously for charging. So you get one USB-C for the camera, one USB-C for the charging at the bottom. As I mentioned before, you get the kickstand as well. And it's already just a nice package. It's a very nice package. Now it's asking me to put the Joy-Cons back on. Again, I get to show you how the removal mechanism works. So these little buttons right here, disconnect, easy as that. That was actually something that I didn't get when I went to the event, and I've tried to figure out how to remove them. Now I know, which is great. And we connect the Joy-Cons to the Switch 2 simply by snapping them in. Actually has a nice little effect there. Let's watch that with this one. Beautiful. So that's how it's looking. Switch 2 is launching. Massive screen as well. It's really, really nice. And the screen, I mean, I know it's not an OLED screen, but it does just look really, really crisp. Is it touchscreen as well? It's touchscreen as well, of course. So you can of course do all the setup right here. I'm not gonna go through that in this video. I'll do a comprehensive review of what the Nintendo Switch 2 is like, whether you should buy one, now that I've got one in my hands and I can get some real-time gameplay footage from it. I've been playing a lot of Mario Kart World. I'll probably play a little bit of Fortnite as well, so stay tuned for that review. Thank you for watching this unboxing. If you want to see more unboxing videos in the future, as well as giving any advice, any tips for what you want to see from these sort of videos in the future as well, then do let me know down there in the comments section down below. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of this sort of content, and we'll see you in the next one.